Welcome aboard Principal Interest, a 2018 Sea Ray Sundancer 350 Coupe, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. The Sundancer 350 Coupe headlines Sea Ray's most iconic series of boats. With a sleek hardtop and enhanced coupe foredeck seating and lounging area, the Sundancer 350 Coupe is a brilliant, entertaining platform and an inviting place to spend entire days on the water. Premium amenities, state-of-the-art technology, and unrivaled performance combine to deliver a fully enjoyable cruising experience. The spacious swim platform makes boarding easy from both stepping aboard from the dock and from the water. While entertaining, step out on the swim platform and grill it up on the transom gourmet station with countertop, electric grill, and sink. Moving forward from the cockpit is safe and easy with well-spaced handrails and steps. On the bow, you'll greet it with a sunbed that is safely and easily accessible by the walk-around bow and makes this the perfect place to relax and enjoy the sunset. A flush hatch on the bow offers easy access to the quick vertical windlass, and controls are placed just outside the hatch. The hardtop features a sunroof that opens up for light and ventilation. In the cockpit, the full beam layout of the Sundancer 350 Coupe allows for the best use of space and provides ample seating. The well laid out variety of spaces in this cockpit provide easy maneuverability between them and includes all the features of a well-designed boat. Cold drinks are always close at hand with this cockpit refrigerator. A power sunshade over the cockpit can be extended or retracted with just the push of a button. Take in the view and enjoy the ride with a panoramic windshield. The helm seat offers a commanding view forward and provides optimal vision while underway. The large, power sliding top slides back to open up the space, providing light and ventilation at the touch of a button. At the helm, a beautiful bolstered seat provides comfort and support. This vessel is equipped with a wide range of electronics at the helm, including a large Simrad chart plotter, trim tab controls, and the Mercruiser Bravo 3 joystick. The joystick provides an intuitive driver interface to maneuver the vessel. Operating the vessel with a joystick is well suited for close quarter operations and while docking. The Skyhook digital anchor system uses GPS to maintain your position with a push of a button. Engine room access is quick and effortless with a push of a switch that operates the powered deck hatch. The Sea Ray Sundancer 350 Coupe is equipped with twin Mercruiser 6.2-liter 350 horsepower engines. These engines are quiet, clean-running engines with plenty of power and are easy to maintain. Additionally, this Sea Ray is equipped with a Kohler 7.5 kilowatt generator for all the convenience and comforts while out on the water. The propulsion system uses twin independently articulating Mercruiser Bravo 3 sterndrives to provide joystick docking. Heading below, the cabin is bathed in warm light from the long hull windows. The main central cabin has easy access to the settees with generous seating and a table. Forward is a large berth that also has a convenient hideaway curtain for privacy, making nights on board comfortable and relaxing. The Sundancer 350 Coupe spacious cabin features a galley with a microwave, a 2-burner electric stove, refrigerator, and storage. The mid-cabin is bright and comfortable space that can easily accommodate 2 people. There is also a sitting area with storage and a hanging locker. The Sundancer 350 Coupe has been equipped with a sizable and very functional head. This head features a beautiful and elegant sink and a spacious walk-in shower. Whether overnighting, entertaining, or cruising, the Sundancer 350 Coupe is designed to help you do it all. To book your appointment to view this Sea Ray Sundancer 350 Coupe, contact Little Yacht Sales.